Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you're on Windows 10 and you've installed, or you'll get this of course with Patch Tuesday in October, the bug fixing updates of September are tweaking a little bit some of the search box in the taskbar, the way that it behaves and so on. And so you can actually have top sites appear or stuff like that, as you see here. So this is, you can interact with this and or not, depending on what you want to do. But they have tweaked the way that the start and the search and all of that. You can of course change things around with search and remove search box or whatever you want to do. Open on hover and so on. There's also a few animations that are new apparently in the news and interest panel. I keep it kind of turned off because I don't use it here, but there are new animations that are showing up in the taskbar also. So just if you want to just change that or remove it, you can of course turn off news and interest and so on. And you can also, if it bogs down your system, reduce taskbar updates in the news and interests so that it doesn't check for stuff as often. So these are a few little things that happen, but mostly the tweak of the search box, top sites here on the right side and so on. These are things that you can of course remove, and top apps and all of that in the Windows 10 start menu. They're still tweaking. I find it interesting that they're still tweaking slightly the search and start and all of that in Windows 10. When you are abandoning an operating system and you just keep it in mainstream, usually you just let it be and fix the bugs and have it working. But these seem to still want to tweak a few things here and there. Of course, there's the announcement. For those that look for the first time, there's a big ad for Copilot that shows up here at the top and tells you, hey, you wanna try Copilot. And of course, in Windows 10, it brings you to the Edge browser and it turns on basically the Copilot within the browser itself, which is relatively the same thing as what you'll get with the Copilot, which is a independent thing that you can check out. But that's the way it is. So Windows 10 getting a few tweaks at the same time that it's getting new bug fixes for the month of September. So if you have no problems, you know what, you can just ignore it. Just wait. It's going to be installed anyways at the same time that you get Patch Tuesday on October 10th, which is the next time we get an update for Windows 10 22H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.